Hi, I'm Seth Rotenberger, and today I'm going to show you several ways to enhance your performance in NX Sketch using some simple sketching features. Let's first open a sketch and create a profile. Let's use the profile command to create our sketch. This will make continuous straight and curved lines, which reduces the amount of commands we need to use to make our sketch. I am now going to drag this point into a different position. When selected, both the vertical and horizontal relations are found. When I select the vertical relation, it turns purple and relaxes, and when I move the point, the horizontal relation remains, allowing the top line to stay horizontal. Relations are an easy way to control the shape and angle of a sketch. Here I am making this bottom line horizontal. I would like to change the length of this upper curve and also move several other curves with it. To do this, I select the curve I want to change and then select the other curves. When I change the length, the other selected curves move along with it. I am again going to use the profile command and make a sketch, this time with curves of varying angles and lengths. It is easy to make the two peaks collinear by using the collinear relation. When one line is moved, the second one moves with it to maintain this relation. Using ignore relation, I can now change the design intent of the sketch. I first select the curve, and then the relation that was previously found. As you can see, the ignore relation symbol appears, and when I move one peak, the second one does not move with it like it did before. Let's recap what you have seen. You saw me drag a point on a sketch by relaxing a vertical relation and maintaining a horizontal one. I then moved several curves when I changed the length of a line by selecting them. Finally, I used the make command to force two lines to be collinear, and then used the ignore relation to change the design intent of the sketch. I would like to thank you for your time and attention.